Here, we conducted an experiment on a small forest ecosystem for 100 days. The rise, growth, and fall of an empire over 100 days. Who will survive in the harsh wilderness until the end? Day 1. The environment was filled with soil, logs, and a fox skull. It may not seem like much now, but new life will bloom where something has died. Animals also appeared. The snail marked the start of life, spending all its time eating. But peace was quickly disrupted. Plants began disappearing at an astonishing rate. Who could be the culprit?